Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to plot a horizontal histogram. Here, in order to have a horizontal histogram, first of all, we're importing the libraries. We're having 1000 numbers, random values to be generated following a standard normal deviation, a standard normal distribution. Then we are having the size of our figure, which is 5 by 3, which is a good size to show here. And then to plot our histogram, we use the hist function. We are having the data, the bins, the color, we choose olive. You see that this is the olive. And edge color, which is black here. And then we are having the orientation equals horizontal. So by adding this keyword, we're going to have horizontal histogram. So orientation equals horizontal. Orientation equals horizontal. This is what we need to add to have a horizontal histogram. Then we are going to label the X and Y axis and also having the title. In each example that we are giving you here, we are adding one new point to be learned for you. So here we are having the orientation, for example. It's uh, one simple point to be learned. But whenever we want to teach you one single point to learn, it's very good to start again from the beginning. So I'm going to say, okay, import these two libraries, generate random numbers, have the size of the figure, because you're going to hear it again and again, and it is going to for you becoming normal. Okay, for the start, we must include the libraries first. We must import them. Then we are going to generate. So you're going to understand the steps that you need to take each time when you are plotting a figure from the beginning until the end. And one changes can have a totally different result as you see here. Thank you for watching.